Hello everybody, welcome to Monday Morning Must Knows. My name is Merlin Rothfeld, and here are 3 important things to pay attention to for the upcoming trading week. Now, as we know, for the past 2 weeks we've been doing this, earnings season are slowly tapering down. Not a lot of great earnings coming out. However, there are a few this week, so let's start off there. There are 84 companies reporting this week, and some are pretty important. As you can see, on Monday you've got S&P, which is China Petroleum, but then the one of interest is Lennar. Home builders are reporting the new home sales on Friday, so we'll get a sense as to what that number might look like with a couple of home builders reporting earnings this week. On Tuesday, we've got Adobe, Aurora Cannabis Growth, FedEx, and AutoZone. Wednesday brings us to General Mills, BlackBerry, and KB Homes. So we have Lennar and KB Homes reporting this week. And Thursday brings you Costco, Nike, Rite Aid, Accenture, and Darden Restaurants, and nothing going on Friday. Now, our next topic is interesting because manufacturing and services are really what drive economies around the world. Yes, some might be more focused on manufacturing, others more focused on services. Bottom line is these two numbers normally come out together and gives us a sense as to how these specific economies are functioning, what the job situation looks like, and is there economic growth in those sectors. Now, we like to focus on specific countries, and the beauty about what's happening this week is there's a plethora of them happening all on the same day. As you can see, on Thursday, we start things off with the French. At 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they report their manufacturing and services numbers, followed closely by the Germans at 3:30 in the morning. Then we have the entire EU reporting at 4 a.m. Oh, but wait, there's more. We move on to the UK at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. They're reporting their numbers. And then finally, we bring it up with the U.S. markets. That's at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 15 minutes into the trading day, which could create some great volatility. Bottom line is we'll get a much greater reading on global manufacturing and services numbers on Thursday. That brings us to our final piece, which is the helmsman who's steering these markets in the United States. That is the Federal Reserve. The FOMC will be making an announcement on Wednesday, and that's an important one because Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mr. Powell will get out there and say, we're going to do this with regard to rates, and here's what we think about inflation and what we're going to do about that. Which way is it going to go? Heck if I know. Bottom line is I know there's probably going to be a good amount of volatility, and it's important because the U.S. is really the one that's driving the global economy. Not to sound arrogant or cocky, but it's just historically the way that things are. Now, that might be shifting in the future, but right now it's about the U.S. Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC. That said, on Thursday, you also have the UK will be reporting some of their numbers and interest rates as well. So you actually have 2 rate announcements happening this week. That, my friends, is your Monday Morning Must Knows. We'll see you next.